Ghetto youth, what go on? God is the greatest. I want to talk to you about a thing named purpose, see? See, as a man, you have to have purpose in life. That's what a man put on the earth to do. Sometimes the system can rob you of your purpose, you know. Because you don't get the opportunity where others would get. So it kind of rob you of an opportunity to prove yourself. But with that being said, you have a saying of them say, the devil find work for idle hands. Why that saying holds true? Because ghetto youth, man need purpose. And if you don't find it in a positive way, you're going to drawn to it in a negative way. See? That's why them say the devil find work for idle hands. Man have to work. Man have to work. Man have to find purpose. It does unfortunate, so enough youth find purpose as a gangster. But we all build to seek that. Some more of the youth them focus. I'm telling you already. Combine with your love with what you're good at. Put in the work, the dedication. Believe in yourself, believe in a God. Trust me. It will actualize itself. Big up on yourself. God is the greatest.